Hi guys, Tricia here from Decisive Designs, bringing you this beautiful table. Now today is Tablescape Tuesday, and I am preparing, I would say, unique design for my table, done in a way that maybe someone wouldn't thought about doing. And that's why I want to show you the bottom layer of my table. So I use two window curtains. And I love the black and white paisley design. It's really unique and looks really good on the bottom. So what I did for my next layer is, and I want to step away a little bit, I added a table runner. So this is not your regular size table runner. This is a faux fur material that I went to the material store and I got the size exactly how I wanted it. And it's a little wider for a runner, but when I layer the table, I like something luxurious, and I think this gives me what I'm looking for. So just know that whatever size you desire, you can go to the fabric store and make it happen. So it's looking good so far. Now I used two curtains because I think these are 64 inches. So they're not long enough to cover the entire table. So I pair them up. I used two of them. And so you can see they're window curtains, but they're material. I like to layer different material. It gives you a vintage look. It gives you a lived-in look. And it gives you kind of a boho look where things are thrown together to make one. So that's kind of my design tonight. But I'm hoping that it turns out the way I want it. And I'm hoping that you guys love it as well. Okay? Stay tuned.